For 10 years, YouTube was rigged in favor of big channels. More subscribers meant more impressions, more watch time, more everything. And that just ended. And most creators haven't noticed yet. YouTube just rebuilt its algorithm, the biggest overhaul in a decade. And for the first time, the changes structurally favor small channels. Not as a feel-good slogan, but mechanically. Full disclosure, my channel is still small. That's exactly why you should listen. I'm not teaching this from a 500,000 sub pulpit. I am betting this channel on it. Here are the 3 changes, why each one tilts toward you and the playbook. Let's get to it. Change number 1, the homepage shrank. A few years ago, your homepage showed a wall of 30 thumbnails. If you remember that, it was busy. And now it's about 3 across, hand-picked rows. Fewer slots sound worse for small channels, but it's the opposite. When there were 30 slots, YouTube filled them with the safe bets, the big channels. With 3, it can't afford boring. Every slot has to earn the click. The wall protected incumbents. The short list rewards whoever packages best, and packaging is free. Change number 2, this is a huge fundamental shift. Watch time is out. Satisfaction is in. YouTube stopped optimizing for how long it can keep someone watching and started optimizing for whether or not they were glad they watched. Surveys, likes, return visits, all of it. Big channels spent a decade perfecting watch time tricks, padded intros, sketched run times, open loops that never pay off. That entire skill set just became a liability. Change 3, originality scoring. YouTube now checks whether your video adds new information versus what's already on the platform. This one is wild. Copy a winning video and you land in its shadow and you get buried. The find what's winning and remix it factory model, the exact machine big channels run, now gets caught by the system itself. Now let's talk about why this favors you. Add the 3 channels up and look at what the algorithm is now paying for. Honest packaging, videos worth of viewers' gladness, and information that already doesn't exist on the platform. None of those require a studio, a team, 1 million subscribers. Every one of them is available to a channel with 11 subs and a phone. And connected to what I showed you in my last video, please go check it out if you haven't. The content that AI can't flood is your story, your opinions, your results, your experience. It's also the content that scores as original, because by definition, it doesn't exist anywhere else. The algorithm change and the AI flood are pushing in the same direction, and that's away from generic, toward you. But there is a catch, and it filters out most of the people watching this. The window rewards people who move while it's open. Big channels are slow ships. They have format, sponsors, teams optimized for the old game. Their adjustment will take a year. Yours can happen this week. Yours can happen tonight. When you're done with this video, start making it. Start working on it. That's the actual opportunity. Not that small channels got a gift. The small channels can turn and run faster. Now for the playbook and the 4 moves. Number 1, never copy a winning video. Instead, answer it. Find what's working in your niche and then make the video it didn't make. The disagreement, the missing chapter, the here's what they left out. You get the proven demand without landing in the original's shadow. Number 2 is package honest and cleanly. The shocked face arms race is over. The new homepage rewards clear, confident, even witty packaging. Promise exactly what you deliver, because satisfaction is the metric now and disappointment is fatal. Clickbait is a dead practice. It should have died a long time ago. It never did. Here we are. Thankfully, it's dead. Stop using it. Be honest, deliver on whatever your promise is. Number 3, stay in one lane. If you're ADHD like I am, it's hard because you get excited, you want to try stuff, you want to jump around, talk about different subjects because of course you've got different interests. Stay in one lane. The system reads channel level focus now. Scattered topics dilute you. One audience, one promise every video. If you did the identity work from 2 years ago, this is where it pays. Number 4, put something un-Googleable in every video. A number from your real results, a story from your real life, a take that's actually yours, and that's your originality score, and it's the one input channels cannot buy. I'm running all 4 on this channel right now, starting from small. Watch what happens. That's the experiment. Now, the honest objection. Original, story-driven, well-packaged videos every week alone with no team sounds impossible, but it's not. I built an AI system that does 90% of that work, and there's a whole video on this channel showing exactly how it works. And if you want this built out with you, if you're looking for coaching or resources, free tools, whatever it might be, you can check it out with the description below or at theamplifiedcreator.com. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.